Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Wednesday, the 19th of December. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, before we start, just a quick announcement just to remind you that the daily call is taking a Christmas break. Our last call for 2018 will be tomorrow, Thursday the 20th, and we will resume the service back on the 7th of January 2019. Over the holidays, we thank you for your support of what has been an extremely successful year. Check out our Platinum program, which will be launched in 2019 at csctraders.com.au. Okay, there was no major news yesterday, so it's time for our chart of the day. Incidentally, our US Kiwi trade was a winning trade again, so that's 3 in a row, ending the year on a high as we broke that inside candle in the upward direction, and we definitely hit the 1-to-1 ratio already, and I don't know how far that one's going to continue to go. Incidentally, the US yen from previous session also continued to plummet, so I think that's definitely reached 2-to-1, perhaps even close to 3-to-1 ratios there. In any case, this morning's chart of the day it's the US yen again, and this time we're going to try and catch it back on the upside. So if you recall, we had on the US yen, give me one moment, let me get my marker out, we actually took that candle there, we shot it down there, so we've definitely hit the targets that we needed on that one already. And now what we're looking for is we're looking to see if perhaps we can form an inside candle in this area somewhere, and then basically if that's today's candle, which has not started, let's say it finishes as I've drawn it, well then tomorrow we would be ready to perhaps take that long trade as displayed there. So it would be a support type trade. You can see the line here clearly indicating a few levels of support already. So let's see how that one plays out for us. So that one is our chart of the day. It is the US yen on a daily time scale. Okay, what's coming up in the session which is about to kick off? Well, we have two bits of data for the session. 8:30 this evening from the UK, we have CPI figures that are due out, and then after midnight from Canada, we also have CPI numbers from Canada. That pretty much wraps up the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.